Make a great choice today with the 2019 Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, LED headlights. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.